Alright, now we're going to create a rain material. So let's go into material. Got this. And I like this. It's black though, and one of the things I should have said is make the background just a little bit lighter. Whenever you're making an alpha, it doesn't blend perfectly from white to whatever color. So what you should do is whatever color on your layer is, like in this case it's going to be like white with bits of gray, it should be your darkest tone. Okay, so in this case probably a gray would be better for this background. Not white, more grayish. Yeah, like that. So that would be a better color for the background. And then we can always multiply it if we need to. That's another thing. It's like have yourself a little bit of an adjustment there. Black, hard to adjust. It's black. Okay, so let's go back here. And we can re-import that texture just by right-clicking and saying re-import texture. And that's the advantage of keeping everything within your work in progress directory, because now I know where it's at. I can re-import it if I need to. It's all right there. Okay. So for this, I need this texture sample, and I also need this texture sample. So click here, then click here, hit T on the keyboard, and click. T is in Tom. So the highlighted texture brings it in. For this material, I need a different type of material, so I'm going to click here in this box, and then I'm going to click translucent, and that will open up the opacity channel. And right now, if I just attach this to opacity, I get this, a really fine mist. And if I break this link and add this to emissive, this is what I get. That's cool, but it doesn't move, so it doesn't look real. Alright, let's go to Painter. Also, I need a multiply, so M, click. Give me a multiply. Break this link. I like to have a variance for the color. In other words, I like to be able to adjust it, and that's what the multiply node does. So I'll attach that to emissive, this to B. And to A, I can just give it a number to multiply it by. So constant, C-O-N, drag it out. So now if I say, well, I like this, but let's say it's 0.25. Now it gets a little brighter. But I have a variance now, and that's very important. So 1 would be super ultra bright, and then 0.25 will be like that. Very cool. So the painter, what I'm going to do with that is you can connect this to the UVs, click on painter, and then speed, I put like a negative, maybe 1.5 or something like that. Just try it out at first. Ooh, that looks really good already. Yeah, I'll just bump up this just to 1 just to see if there's any kind of problem with it. There's a slight little line. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe not. It's a little bit of a line right there. I'm pretty picky about this alpha, so I'm going to be using it all the time. So let's go to Filter, Other, Offset on that channel, and see if we can find this magical line that's appearing. And it could be just an empty spot too. I think it's right here. So I'll go in here with the clone stamp tool, just kind of fix that up. Okay, don't forget, if you fix this one, you have to fix the alpha too. So to do that, it has to be black and white. Edit, copy merge, edit, paste. There we go. Let's go back to layers, turn the black one off, and then save that. Rain color map. Okay, again, very quick adjustment. Much better. Yep, cool. All right, now I don't like how it's not fading at the top and bottom. So to do that, I need something to get to the opacity, and that's another multiply channel. So M. So let's break that link. Let's put this to the opacity, and then we're going to multiply two alphas together. Okay, alpha 1 comes from the rain. Alpha 2 comes from this fancy alpha. Alright, perfect. That's exactly what I want. And if you ever need to adjust it, let's say it's too fast, well, you just adjust this one. There you go. So that's the rain alpha and rain color map all together. Let's look at how we're going to actually make it rain though, because what are we going to attach this to? And we'll do that in the next video.